Hey guys, with SMTP Ghost, we also have the ability to do AI emails. And basically what that means, it's not just for the email templates, but we allow you to create AI emails for each individual contact, depending on their website content, and also if you have their LinkedIn data. So we'll do an example here on this list that we have for the plumbers V2. Again, we got this list from the Google Maps lead finder that we have. So you can watch that video that we have. But for this set of 50, we have a lot of their data, which is like their email, phone number, longitude, address, review count, and we could use a lot of this stuff to have AI write their emails for us, right? So the way that this works is we're going to need to use the AI email writer module here, and you go on here and you would see that you would need to do name, industry, ICP, pain, solution, and basically what it means if the prospect doesn't use your thing, your product or service. What we're going to need though is obviously the website, which we have, and or the first name and last name. And in order for it to work really well, typically what I say is let's use these first, which is to scrape the website. Do this one. You go here, you get their website, and again, all this is we're going to be doing in real time, so you can see how long it takes, and then you could scrape website. And right now what we're doing is we're actually going to their website and getting their website content. That way you can use this in the prompt that automatically writes the email. And again, this is just gives us more data and more relevancy for the emails, which is going to help you get more deliverability. So let's give it a few seconds and yeah, just wait. Okay, and just so you guys know, I did cut off the part that we're waiting. That way you're just not there waiting for it to finish, but it finished. And now we can go back here. And the next part, typically I will say is that let's click on generate summary. And we'll go here and then we do, okay, get the website content and use this to generate a summary of the website. And so right now when we're doing generate summary, we're basically setting a lot of that content that we got from the website and creating a concise summary of what the website's about. That way, when we do write the AI email, it has a little concise summary of the website versus this huge block of text that's sometimes unformatted from people's websites, which makes it harder for the AI to write a relevant email. And from our testing, we've seen that this works better. And in the future, we are going to give you more options. That way you can control some more of the input. But right now, we worked with the team to create an input that we've seen work really well. And it creates great emails that are getting a really high open rate. So that's kind of why for right now, we really are focusing on the website summary and also the LinkedIn data if that's available for your profile. But a lot of times people don't have that. So that's why we made the website available to be used as another way to personalize the website, because when you think about it, when you're doing cold emailing, you're probably looking at their website and seeing what they do and then writing some sort of snippet based on that. So that's kind of where we got the idea. And again, we've also seen a lot of success for that when we do our cold emailing to other brands. So let's give it a few more seconds and this should be done soon. And the nice thing about this too is that when you are doing this and you're testing out, you can just duplicate the list and this will automatically go with you. That way you don't need to redo it or rerun it or wait again. So we'll tell people that when you're doing all these enrichments, it's great to just either export it or at least when you re-upload it, you can have the data or just duplicate the list and then try different messaging or try different content and see what works better to get the open rate back up. And this is almost done. Is done. And let's go back now. And the next part we want to do is you want to go to the AI email writer. So click on generate emails. And here, this is where we're going to need your product name and your industry you're in. So for this example, I'm going to use this AI service I found called Rosie. So product name, Rose. Let's do Rosie AI. the industry your product is in. It's a phone answering service. And ideal customer profile for your product will be like, since we're doing plumbers, we'll do plumbers that need a phone service to get more leads. And to answer their requests. The pain your product solves. For this one, let's say, okay, we'll say answers for local business owners when they are away from their homes. The solution here provides, here we can just say like, let's just copy that. Missed phone calls and missed leads. Okay, so let's do that. Select the tone. We'll do formal. Call to action. Really, we'll say like, we really want to book a demo with them. So let's book a demo. And then here, let's pick that website again. And since we don't have the first name, we can skip that. So now let's click on generate. And here, we'll basically generate a preview for you to see. That way you could sort of see how the email looks like beforehand. And then from there, you can go and generate all the other ones. So let's look at an email. And here we created one email for this contact. It says, hey there, hope this email finds you well. I came across Nationwide's plumber's website. I was impressed by your comprehensive plumbing service across Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, Brooklyn, and Staten Island. Your commitment to provide 24/7 emergency services and free quotes is commendable. Given your focus on efficient and effective solutions, I want to introduce you to Rosie AI, an innovative phone answering service designed specifically for businesses like yours. Rosie AI ensures that you never miss a call or potential lead, even when you're away from the office or on a job. It's 10 times more effective than voicemail and significantly more cost effective than traditional answering services. Would you be interested in scheduling a brief demo to see how Rosie AI can help Nationwide plumbers grow while managing your incoming calls? Simply click here to book a convenient call. And this is where we made it super simple for you to allow yourself to either update or edit and then go from there. So this is kind of how the emails look like. And then from there, you can either, you can regenerate again. So click on regenerate and we'll generate another one. Or you can say this is fine. And then you can create all emails. So let's create another one. And you can see that here, we can say, we have another one that's very similar. And then again, we ask them would they be interested in booking a call. And this is where you use this as your first email to the prospect. So for this, let's say we're happy with this and then we're good. So let's go back. Now what you want to do is go to your campaigns, go to here, go next. And this is an old email that we used for a different video, but let's go back here and say, interest, are you missing phone calls? And then here, this is where now in the Personalize, we can say, okay, let's do the SG Personalized Email AI. Click here, insert. And remember, you still want to insert your email name. So you want to send your sending account first name. And now click save email. Again, this one we don't care about this one since it's just part of the demo, but I'll show you. And here, let's click on the contact. And here now you can see that whenever you generate an email, each contact will get their own email like this, depending on their website and their content and what you have to and what you're selling. That way now you could sort of see this. And again, you can just go back and edit it and do any adjustments that you want for this. But that's how you can use the AI personalized emails. That way you can either send super hyper personalized messages, and at the same time, if you have LinkedIn data, you can also add that as well.